Today we talk about how can you disable sticky on top on your Webull app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go down here, you click here on menu down here, just click on it. So then it's going to take you to your profile. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on settings here, just click on it. Then you come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, just click here on message settings, click on it here. Then you come to next tip here, it's going to show for you like this. Click here on price alerts, just click on it. So then you come here to sticky on top, you just click in this sign or this color. So like you see here, color it's gone, that's mean here sticky on top disable with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.